The Road Traffic and Maritime Navigation Office in the Swiss canton of St. Gallen checks 80,000 vehicles and carries out 10,000 theory and driving tests every year. Day after day, it also handles hundreds of customer inquiries, issues driving licenses, and in the registration office administers license plates. As you can imagine, the 7 administrative buildings and test sites are a real hive of activity, with visitors coming and going, vehicles arriving at the test halls for inspection, and hopeful drivers of the future tackling theory tests in the classrooms. In such a lively and dynamic environment, it's vital that visitors can find their way around easily, but are kept out of private areas. For the staff working in this sometimes hectic atmosphere, it's important that the doors to the offices and function rooms can be securely locked and yet easily opened. This is where the powerful Kaba TouchGo system comes in. The system is seen at its best in the administrative building in Winkeln, where the driving theory and practical tests are held. The building is semi-public. Candidates must sign in at the desk, but they then have the freedom to roam around the building. Completely freely? Well, not quite. In order to prevent visitors from entering employees' offices, corridor and office doors have been fitted with Kaba TouchGo locks. All authorized personnel carry in their bag or pocket a Kaba TouchGo transponder that opens the lock in a matter of milliseconds, simply by touching the handle. The Kaba TouchGo is an especially welcome addition on highly frequented doors and increases user-friendliness significantly. Scratching around and looking for conventional keys or badges is now a thing of the past, and security is not compromised. In the St. Gallen traffic office, the Kaba TouchGo locks on the doors to examination rooms have all had the office function enabled, a standard feature of the system. The office function allows the lock to automatically recognize if the invigilator is still in the room merely by touching the inside handle. As long as the invigilator remains in the room, candidates can open the door and come and go as they please. However, when they leave the room as the last person and close the door, the lock is enabled and access is once again restricted. This valuable extra feature can be individually configured for each lock and is just as useful for individual office doors. And if an employee receives a new transponder or a lost transponder needs replacing, the security officer can use the master programming feature to block or program transponders in no time at all. For larger key plans with multiple users, Kaba recommends a central authorization management system that allows you to keep an eye on all the Kaba TouchGo transponders that are in circulation at any time.
Durch den Einsatz von TouchGo.
TouchGo is a sophisticated way of controlling access to our offices. The new lock was quickly accepted by our staff and our visitors. We plan to make more widespread use of TouchGo to realize our security strategy efficiently and without compromise. Kaba TouchGo, the convenient side of security.